Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the at command that allows you to schedule tasks to run at some other time, whether later that same day or way in the future. The at command allows you to schedule simple commands or complex scripts to run when you need them to. Unlike the cron command, at is used to set up one-time tasks. To invoke at, you type at, followed by the time that you want the command to run. For example, we might say at 7 p.m., and then we're going to be prompted to enter more information. We could also say at noon or at 6 p.m. tomorrow, like this, at 6 p.m. tomorrow. Or I guess we'd have to spell tomorrow correctly. Something like that. Or even something like this, at 10 p.m. plus 7 days, which would mean we want it to run at 10 p.m. but a week from today. So let's get started with a simple at command. In this example, we're going to schedule a message to go out to all terminals at 9 p.m. So we say at 9 p.m. and that warning just tells you that the at command uses bin sh. We're going to say echo system shutting down in 1 hour. So we do that and send it to all, which means send that message to all logged in individuals on this system. And then we just type Control D and the job is set up. Now, to run a script, we would do something similar. We'd say something like at 9:15 p.m. And we're going to give a relative path name to where we are now, which is in our home directory. You could also enter a full path name. And then just again, Control D, and now we have the job set up. Now, to end this 2-minute video, I'm going to run a script right now. So at now, I'm going to run this script, which is called run now in my current directory. And there it is. Well, that's your Linux tip for the at command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.